Global markets are responding to fresh tech earnings, tariff uncertainty, and mixed risk sentiment, with equities, commodities, and currencies showing selective moves. Here are the key developments shaping markets today. Asian share benchmarks moved higher, led by strength in technology stocks after Nvidia reported a strong earnings beat and upbeat demand forecast. Nikkei 225 traded near 58,715. Kospi rose about 2.3% to 6,222. The rally reflects ongoing optimism in AI-linked sectors, supporting broader risk appetite. Nvidia posted robust revenue growth and strong forward guidance amid sustained demand for AI hardware. Investors are watching how future capital spending on AI and semiconductors will support global tech earnings and equity leadership. US equity futures traded with modest mixed bias as markets balanced recent earning news and lingering trade policy uncertainty. S&P 500 futures were near 4,410, Nasdaq 100 futures were near 14,550. Futures indicate a tentative start for Wall Street as investors weigh data and earnings ahead. Precious metals continue to attract safe haven flows. Spot gold traded near $5,172 per ounce. Spot silver traded around $90.65 per ounce. Higher metals pricing reflects defensive positioning amid policy ambiguity. Energy markets showed modest firmness, with prices balancing between global demand expectation and policy uncertainty. WTI crude traded around $65.92 per barrel. Brent crude traded near $70.88 per barrel. Stable oil reflects measured energy market sentiment. Major currencies showed limited directional moves amid earnings and tariff policy focus. Dollar yen traded near 154.20, euro dollar traded near 118.50. FX stability indicates lack of strong conviction in either direction. Markets monitored comments from the Bank of England, which signal that a potential rate cut remains an open question pending further data. This continues to influence bond yields and currency pricing across major economies. What this means for markets. Today's price action signals a blend of selective risk appetite supported by tech earnings and defensive positioning in assets like precious metals. Equities show pockets of strength, especially in tech and Asia. Metals are buoyant on safe haven bids. FX and energy markets remain steady amid policy ambiguity. Investors are weighing growth signals against persistent trade policy risk. That's a global financial news update for February 26, 2026.